like a Hellcat.
And so, hello mga friends. Welcome back to my channel, Jelly. And for today, we are going to make a quick Oreo milkshake. Ayan, kasi mainit na po yung panahon para pampalamig, refreshment. Ayan, pampalamig ng ulo. Stress reliever, ayan. Para ma-enjoy pa rin natin yung summer kahit nasa bahay pa rin tayo. At saka mas safe gumawa ng milkshake kaysa bumili. Ayun. So, let us start. Friends, this is our cute blender. Ayan. And this is our ingredients for our Oreo milkshake. So, we just need a little milk. Konti lang, para sa akin lang naman to. We need Oreo biscuit. Add Oreo. Ayun, durugin natin siya. Ang isa hindi durog. So, durugin natin. Okay. And ice cream. And then, ice cream. We can add ice cream, vanilla. See? I love this ice cream. Oh. And we need honey. Okay. And cover it. Perfect. See? I have to check. Oh, we need more. So put it back. Shake it more. So, let us taste it. So, ayan na mga friends. Ito na yung ginawa natin. At titikman na natin siya ngayon. Ang sarap. Ang tamis. Lasang honey. Lasang Oreo. Pan-diabetes to sigurado. Pero masarap. Parang restaurant. Parang nasa coffee shop tayo. Try it in your home. See you next time. Bye.